I didn't pick out lipstick. Maybe this will look good. Where's my lip? Alright. Hey! Hi. Hey. No. Hey guys, welcome back. I am so excited for this video. I've been waiting for these lashes for a few days now. It's going to be kind of like a how-to slash me putting on new lashes that I just got in the mail yesterday. I already did all my makeup off camera because it takes me quite a while, and ignore this eye. This is usually my good side, but I'm still trying to master the effects of the wing and liquid eyeliner, and I am not doing a very good job. There is this company that followed me on my Instagram, and I checked their page out and I followed them back, and I'm really glad that I did because they have such beautiful lashes, and I couldn't afford them at the time, so I had to wait like maybe a month or so, and then I finally ordered some. They're called Samar Lashes. This video is not sponsored. I'm just really excited to review these lashes because they look so beautiful online, and the packaging that I've seen and their logo is just so freaking adorable, and I'm a sucker for packaging and stuff like that. This is a London-based business. I believe they just launched their lashes in December of 2017, so they're fairly new. But once the word gets around, I think they're going to be huge. They're going to be huge. A little bit about them is they are sisters who developed the company, and they love all things beauty and fashion. Like I said earlier, they're based out of London. They have all sorts of different lashes, different types. There are quite a few that are sold out on the website right now, but you should seriously go check it out. It's samarlashes.com, and I'll put like a little thingy like right here, over here somewhere for you to check out the website. My experience with the company so far, they're very personal. Like every time I have messaged them on Instagram, they've messaged me back right away. Their customer service, as far as that part goes, is absolutely phenomenal. And the reason why I say as far as that goes is because I haven't had any issues. I haven't had to contact their actual customer service. The shipping was from London. I live in the United States, and it took, let's see, I think I ordered them last Friday and I got them yesterday, which was Wednesday. And for it being international shipping, that was like super quick, and I was super excited. And I haven't even opened it yet because I've been waiting to do it on camera. So I'm just gonna do it for you right now. This is the back of it. It's a nice pink, like pretty appealing to me. And this is what their logo looks like. I just think it's freaking gorgeous. It's so cute. It's so girly. I love lashes. So I'm going to open them up and we're gonna see what these look like. Okay, they sent me a nice little like business card with it, and this is what their logo is again. Oh, it's just so pretty. And now to get to the actual lashes. This is what they look like. I think this top one is my favorite one. This one is Lily, and then this one right here is Rose. Like, oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Oh, it's just so cute. It just screams out Nicholeyoyo, like, oh. And then the other ones, these are the Lily ones. And it's magnetic, and it opens up like this and like this, and oh, look at that though, it's so pretty. These look super high quality. They look very luxurious. So they're limited edition, so I'm never getting rid of these or the package. Like, that is just freaking gorgeous. Since I have a dramatic eyeshadow look, I think what I'm going to be using is the Lily lashes. I know I'm gonna have to trim them down because I have smaller eyes, because my mom did that to me and my dad, so thanks parents. And when you take it off, this is what it looks like. It looks very natural. It doesn't look stiff. It isn't stiff. So I'm going to get this trimmed up and pop it on, and then yes. Oh, you guys, these are gonna be freaking gorgeous. Look at that. Like, I haven't even like trimmed it or anything yet, but these are gonna be awesome. Anyone know my reference? You know, WWE? Yeah, I like WWE. It's great. I think I've said this in a video before, but when you're trimming your lashes, you want to make sure you always trim the outside. So that way, like the front, because your front lashes, like on this side, are a little bit shorter. It's not going to be a stark difference from like super short to like bam in your face. I'll put some lash glue on this baby. Also, I did not do mascara yet. I do that afterwards. And I always make sure to try and get a little extra on the corners because that's the first part that's gonna fly up. Especially on my wonky eyes. Here we go. Ooh, those are some big lashes. And I'm squeezing them together to make them fit together. That applied so easily, you guys. And I'm not very great at applying eyelashes. Sometimes I have to finagle with them for like 10 minutes and it's sometimes not even worth it. But this applied so nicely. I don't think I've ever applied a lash as easily as this. And I'm not just saying this to like kiss their butt or anything. I'm being honest with this. I'm in love with these lashes. So let me get this next one off. And I cut too much off? I did. Oh well. If you do eyeshadow and you feel like you've done like a mediocre job, lashes make it so much better. That one applied just as easily, and these are the kind of lashes that just make you want to wear them every day because they look freaking gorgeous. Okay, gotta do the clap. Okay, now I'm going to apply mascara, and the mascara I'm going to be using I have to find first. I'm going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise in Mystic Black today to put my lashes together. That was dumb. The reason why I do that is because it blends the two lashes together. There isn't a stark difference between my actual eyelashes and these beautiful false ones. Also helps to make them look fuller and even more pretty. Seriously? Underneath my eye. What's wrong with me today? I know they say that you're supposed to let it dry and then take it off, but I'm too impatient for that. Now I'm going to be doing my bottom lashes. Please don't mess up. Please don't mess up. Please don't mess up. That is it for the lashes. I have 2 steps left. I was going to do it beforehand and I was like, I cannot. I always save it for, well, second to last, and that is my highlight. You know which one I'm going to be using? I'm going to be using the Milani Strobe Light in the shade Day Glow. I said that wrong on my everyday makeup tutorial. So it is the Strobe Light highlighter in the shade Day Glow. And we're gonna make it look just fabulous. Fabulous. You see that? This is a highlight. Yes. Cupid's bow. And just a tiny bit on the chin. I don't like too much of a glow. I don't want to look like I have a shiny chin on my chin. I don't want too much shine on my chin. More is more. Not less is more. More is more with highlighter. And I have one more step. I'm going to be doing lips. I'm going to be using this NYX Powder Puff Lippy. And this is in the shade Puppy Love. And I just really like this. So I'm going to use it. Oh. I messed up already. Bajo lip. And one more step, doing setting spray. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. I like this for the sprayer. It's more of an actual mist versus a like in your face. That is it for this video. I really love the way that these turned out. They're so wispy, they're not heavy. My lashes. My lashes don't feel like they're being weighed down. I think it really complements the look. I think a really good pair of lashes can save any look, even if you have like different colors or anything like that. I think it just makes it easier to pull off, and I give these a 10 out of 10 rating. Once I come into more funds, I will definitely be purchasing more of these Lily lashes, especially because these ones are gorgeous. I love the packaging. They're so nice. Like for my hooded eyes, usually if I have a huge pair of lashes, it just comes all the way up and it just looks not the best. And these look awesome. Well, except for when I do this, then they do come up, but to be fair, all lashes do that to me. So I'm going to say adieu to this video, and thanks for watching, and make sure to go to my Instagram and my Snapchat and my Twitter at Nicholeyoyo. I'm sure you're used to it because I say it all the time. And also, I didn't say it in the last video, but subscribe, please, to my channel. And yeah, that's, I don't know where I'm going with this. Thank you again for watching. Once you have the chance, or if you are interested in some great, amazing lashes, go to samarlashes.com, order yourself a pair, or 2, or 5. I definitely recommend the Lily. Go ahead, go to their website, order you a few pairs. The shipping is phenomenal. It does not even take a week to get here, and yourself a few pairs, or for a friend or anything, check out their Instagram. Give them a like, give them a follow, give them some love. Tell them Nicholeyoyo sent you, and yeah. I think you're not going to be disappointed, because I definitely am not. Thank you again. I will get done with this so I can stop talking and being awkward. Bye.